Titanic, unrivaled, monumental. These are just a few of the words that fail to fully capture the visual dominance and engineering brilliance of the Scania XXXL four-door Longline. This truck is not merely a machine, it's a moving fortress, a symbol of Scandinavian design meeting the boldest dreams of the long-haul elite. With its extended cab, ultra-spacious four-door configuration, and tailored luxury interiors, the Longline transcends the category of truck into rolling luxury command center, designed for those who live on the road and refuse to compromise. The Scania XXXL is more than rare, it's legendary. If trucks were judged by presence alone, this one would rule the highways like a king. Join the Auto Lab today's. Subscribe, share your thoughts, and become a part of a global brotherhood of road warriors who know what real power and presence mean. The evolution of the Scania Longline began with custom coach builders, stretching standard R-Series cabs, but it was the introduction of the factory-supported Longline around 2003 that rewrote expectations. Though discontinued in 2005 due to tightening EU regulations, the idea never died. In recent years, specialized builders across Europe have reignited the concept, producing full four-door Longlines with extended wheelbases, luxury rear lounges, and integrated sleeping quarters for dual-operator comfort. The latest builds are based on the Scania S730 platform, boasting V8 engines with an earth-moving 730 horsepower and 3,500 Newton-meters of torque. These trucks are often custom-made, costing anywhere between $400,000 to over $650,000 depending on the spec, options, and bespoke craftsmanship. Compared to American Holland, which emphasize brute force, the Scania excels with quiet power, refined interiors, and aerodynamic design that slices through long distances with grace. It is not mass, it is commissioned, like a work of art. The Longline commands the kind of loyalty and awe that only a handful of vehicles in any category can claim. From leather-wrapped dashboards to real wood trims and fold-out sleeper beds, this truck is both performance tool and personal sanctuary. In an industry where most cabins feel like compromise, the Scania XXXL four-door Longline feels like victory.